Hello, go to support.broadcom.com to download the VMware Workstation Pro 25 version for free. If you already have an account, go to the Login tab. Otherwise, click Register to create an account. You can use any email address to register and create a new account. I already have an account, so I will go to the Login tab to log in. Put your username and password. On the left side of my Dashboard tab, scroll the page to select the Workstation Pro download. In my Download tab, then you can show free software download available here option, click here option. You can show all free download list, then you can select the VMware Workstation Pro. Now show the available Workstation Pro versions. We will download the latest two versions, Pro 25H2 and Pro 17, for Windows. In this screen you can show file product name with build version, release date, last updated date, checksums for verification and download option. Before start click download option we need to agree terms and conditions. When click download option pop up a confirmation option select yes. If required update your information then update and click submit option to process download. Same way we download 17 version also, downloading time based on internet speed. Both version download is completed. Learn how to install VMware Workstation Pro 25 easily and prepare your full lab environment.